Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make simple homemade pizza without oven. Take a bowl. All-purpose flour 200 grams. Yeast 1 teaspoon. Salt 1/4 teaspoon. Sugar ½ teaspoon. Mix well. Add warm water 120 ml. Mix well stiff dough. Oil 2 tablespoons. Knead until it becomes smooth dough. Rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take a plate, apply oil. Place it on grease plate and spread. Make dents on the edges. Prick in center with fork. Pizza sauce 1 tablespoon. Red chili sauce 1 tablespoon. Spread pizza sauce and red chili sauce. Add mozzarella cheese. Sweet corn. Onion pieces. Tomato pieces. Capsicum pieces. Add your favorite veggies. Jalapeno. Paneer. mozzarella cheese, oregano, red chili flakes, take a kadai, add salt in it. Place a stand or a bowl. Preheat for 10 minutes. Now put the pizza plate. And bake for 20 minutes on low flame. Ready to serve. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also comment your opinion down below. Thanks for watching.